Hello, Mr. Levi, and everyone over there at Paramount Remodeling. My name is Charles, and with this video, I just wanted to show you guys a few opportunities that are available to you. I want to give you a few recommendations, actually 3 of them, that you can take and implement with yourselves, with your team, by yourselves. If you like what you see, and I do have more tricks up my sleeve, I would like you guys to consider if you want to work together. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take these tips and hopefully you'll start to grow your business and get more and more people coming to you, more and more clients closing with you. So the 3 things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. And along with this, I will be mentioning a little bit about keywords and keyword research because I found quite a few opportunities there for you. Now, why do I do this? That's probably what you're asking. I do this because I've realized business owners are way too busy to learn exactly what I'm going to show you. And also there's a steep learning curve as well. Secondly, there's so much information out there and there's so many experts and sometimes you may not know who to choose from. So I wanted to just prove myself by giving you value up front, showing you exactly what you need to do and the kind of things that you can start to implement right now to get more and more clients coming in. And the third thing is that 90% of people use Google to search for local services. Of those 90%, 70% do not leave the front page. So that kind of visibility, being on the front page of Google, is very important if you're looking to grow your business, if you're looking to grow your clientele. Why not go for people who are already searching for you instead of advertising on Angie's List where you pay for leads but you still have to fight for those leads? Or any other, Google ads or any other, not that advertising doesn't work, but why not save your money by going after people who are already looking for your services? Okay, I don't want to waste any more of your time. I'm going to take about 7 minutes now for the rest of this video. All right, so the 3 things I wanted to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has everything to do with the front page. Well, not only a front page, but all your pages, but all the text, everything I've highlighted, all the text, all the pictures, the words behind the pictures. Believe it or not, let's say I take your logo and I try and save it as a picture. I can tell that it's been saved as Paramount, no logo, no background. To optimize with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative content, authoritative text that shows exactly who you are, what you do, what services you provide, the locations you service as well. I have to admit, I know that you're in Colorado, but Frederick, I don't know if you're only in Frederick, Colorado, or you service other areas just by looking at your front page. So Google cannot tell that either. So for relevant searches, it's not going to put you up front. So I would definitely increase the amount of text on your front page, and also going to your other pages, make sure you have probably between 500 to 750 words of authoritative, keyword-rich content. And just a word about keywords. Now, if I'm looking for your service, a typical person in your area would probably type in something like bathroom remodel Longmont, which is very close to you guys. I did not see as much search volume for bathroom remodel Frederick. However, I'll get into that. Now you'll see Google ads here on the front page. Now these Google ads are always hit or miss. I tell people, you might pay a lot because it's pay-per-click, and it depends on your niche and your location. You might end up paying a lot, but they are a good way to get fast leads. I say hit or miss because a lot of people also have ad blockers, which will block these kind of ads around here. So, and then you'll see the map pack, which I'm going to talk about later, and then the organic listing section. So I just wanted to mention a keyword is the phrase that someone is going to type into Google while looking for your services. This is a buyer intent keyword because anyone who's searching for bathroom remodel in this area is probably looking for a company because they need work done. Okay, so that's it for content. Now the next part is citations, the next thing I want to talk about. And citations has to do with the map pack. Now, how do you rank higher and higher here? You can see that it's it's oriented towards location. You have a map and 3 businesses. Now, this has a lot to do with citations. A citation is anywhere on different directories online. It's your name, address, and phone number. Your business name, business address, business phone number are cited in different directories online. For example, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, LinkedIn, Dexnos, Superpages.com, Yellowpages.com, etc. The more higher quality and higher niche relevant citations that you're in, the higher you'll rank here for these searches, for the kind of searches that you want to target. So the better citations you have for around your area, for example, Frederick, Colorado, I believe you're first here, so you're doing a really good job with your citations so that any searches around your area, you are first here. So I'm sure you're getting quite a bit of traffic, which is awesome. However, if you want to expand and go to Denver, I'm not sure if you're not on the map pack. So that means Google's not picking you up for the different locations that you do service. It is picking you up for Longmont, but not the surrounding areas. So I would definitely tell Google that you are that you do service these different locations, and you do that by including that in your citations, including that in your GMB description, and including that on your website as well. The third thing I wanted to talk about are backlinks, and that has to do with the organic listing section. This section gets the most amount of traffic. Now, if you think of the internet as a collection of web pages, a backlink is when one different web page links to your page, directing traffic to you. Now, not all backlinks are the same, because if, say, it's an Arby's that's directing traffic to you, Google sees that you're in different niches and sees that as kind of spammy, doesn't count you as relevant. But if it's a bathroom remodeling forum or conference that has a blog out and has a link, because they like your work, they have a link to your site, that is considered higher, more relevant, and Google will reward you for that relevancy. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and with it, I just want to take a few of your competitors. For example, this guy here, Bathroom Remodel Denver. If you click on their site, this is their site here. You can see that they have quite a bit of text on the front page. I'm not sure what the pictures are saved as, but this is part of the kind of research that's good. So Bathroom Remodeling Denver, Colorado. That's saved as a keyword. Save your pictures as keywords, because that will make you more and more relevant. So let's use my tool called Ahrefs, and I want to analyze this tool analyzes not just backlinks, but websites in whole, analyzes what keywords they're ranking for, etc. Now you can see these guys have about 63 domains that are sending them 336 backlinks. Now let's take your site here, and I had previously searched it. You have about 37 domains that are sending you 126 backlinks. You have 126 backlinks from 37 domains. Now it's incumbent upon your SEO or your website person to come in, look at the domains that the backlinks are coming from, actually look at the backlinks themselves, and make sure that you have the same amount, but not only that, and the same quality backlinks, but not only that, you want to beat them by 50 or 100 backlinks. And looking at their situation here, like we had seen, they have about 63 referring domains, and they have so many backlinks, whereas you have 37 referring domains with 126 backlinks. So slowly and gradually, you can beat them, and you can start to rank number one for the kind of searches that they're ranking for. Now, just as an aside, I want to enter your organic keywords. This is what Google is picking you up for. And you can see Paramount, a lot of people search Paramount Remodeling. That means they know your name, but you don't have the kind of keywords like remodeling company. That is a national keyword. It has no location attached to it. 1,900 people search for it every single month, but you're not getting any traffic. And now let's look at your competitors' organic keywords, and you'll see Bathroom remodel Denver. 700 people search for that every month, and they get 60 people going to their site because they're in the second position. And they're ranking for very many other keywords. So it's important to research your competition, see the kind of searches that are being made. If they're relevant to you, make sure you include those keywords on your site and in your descriptions, even in your descriptions on different directories and in your Google My Business page. Now, I told you I was going to show you what's available to you, so let me just change my tab, and because I did a bit of research and I realized around you there's a ton of traffic for this one keyword, bathroom remodel Boulder. 70 people search for that every month. Here we go, bathroom remodel Longmont. 40 people search for that every month. Now, I'm not sure what what locations you service, so I just went around you. Bathroom remodel Colorado in general. 60 people look for that every month. Kitchen remodel Longmont. 50 people. Longmont kitchen remodeling. That's a separate keyword. That's a different keyword. 50 people. Bathroom remodel Denver. 700 people search for that every single month. Construction companies in Denver. 400 people search for that per month. Bathroom remodel Denver. 700 people search for that per month. Basement remodel Denver. 150. Denver roofing. I'm not sure if you do any roofing, but 450 people look for that a month. Home remodeling Denver, 150. 400 people look for bathroom remodel Colorado Springs, which I know is about an hour and a half away from you. However, I'm sure you'd be willing to travel that far if you're going to grab a lot of this volume. Because, from what I've shown you, those are about 1,000 people looking for your services. And if you could get from that 20 closed clients, that I'm sure that would help your business. So once again, Mr. Levi, I thank you for watching this video. Again, my name is Charles. Please take these tips, use them, give them to your SEO person, and start to get more and more clientele. Start to close with more clients, free of charge, because you're not advertising for this. If you'd like to work with me, again, you'll see my number at the end of the email, and you can also just reply to my email. I'm available by text or call or email. Thank you very much and have a great day. What I will ask, though, is some feedback about this video. Thank you.